Welcome to Learning Kids channel.
Hello kids, let's draw a cute group of ice cream drawing. Come on kids, come and draw this beautiful ice cream drawing while hearing some funny stories too. Let's get started with Greedy Bunny and Magical Ice Cream Story. One day, a funny bunny named Boo Boo went to the ice cream shop. Boo Boo loved ice cream very much. He said,
I want ice cream. Big ice cream. It should be a giant ice cream.
The shop uncle said,
This is magic ice cream. Eat slowly.
But Boo Boo said,
No, I love ice cream. I eat fast.
He ate chocolate ice cream first. Next to that again, he ate strawberry ice cream. Followed by that again, he ate mango ice cream.
Nom.
Suddenly, his ears became very long. Very long. Boo Boo shouted,
Oh no, my ears. Oh my God, my ears.
Uncle laughed and said,
I told you right, Bunny. Magic ice cream must be eaten slowly.
But Boo Boo didn't listen that. He ate one more ice cream. Puff! His tummy became round like a ball. Boo Boo rolled it on the floor. Roll and roll and roll and roll. All kids laughed. Boo Boo said,
No more greedy eating. I will eat slowly.
Uncle gave him one small vanilla ice cream. Boo Boo ate that slowly.
Lick.
Everything became normal again. Boo Boo said loudly,
Eat slowly, be happy. Too much ice cream is equal to funny trouble.
That's all kids. The moral of the story is, too much of anything is not good. Eat slowly and listen to elders. That's it kids. Come on kids, come and draw this beautiful drawing along with me and start coloring. Hey kids, how was the story and drawing? Do you like it? If you like my video, please tell to your parents to subscribe our channel for more funny story drawing videos. Bye bye.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for more videos. Bye bye.